the tenant run their own business. We don't really tell them how to run it.
Sure, it is their quote business. I just want to tell you what they are doing here is negligent. They've removed some equipment in this store, and this is a big one for me. They pull the equipment out and they put a piece of black plastic over it. Now, kids go in here with their mom, they play hide and seek. They could literally get hurt very badly or killed because there's 220 electric, water, the drain pipes, and no amount of insurance is going to replace a child.
Hello?
Helena!
Yes?
Helena, my name is Danny. I am calling on some commercial space here, and I would love to lease it from you.
What kind of business do you have?
I'm in the coin laundry business.
Coin laundry.
Laundromats.
There's already a coin. Yes, there's currently a laundromat there.
That is correct. So, Helena, you know, your phone rings and people are looking for empty space to put their business in, or they're looking at a listing. I am actually interested in coin laundries because of all of the infrastructure that remains there. So I am not looking to build a laundromat from scratch in an empty spot. I see that as a recipe for disaster. I'm always looking at existing coin laundries that are underperforming, to put it politely. We've walked this store, scouted it a couple times, and you know, I'm not here to hurt anybody's feelings, but very, very old equipment, poor procedures,
Yeah.
close early, things like that.
For sure, the tenants run their own business. We don't really tell them how to run it. I'm the manager, and so yeah, I have to see how long they have on their lease. I don't know if they're interested in selling the business. I know that they bought it. The old owner sold it and retired. So this is a new generation that's taking it over.
Mm-hmm.
Your name is Bruce?
My name has never been Bruce.
Who are you?
You.
No, not me, you.
Yes, I am you.
You!
Yes?
Not you, him! What's your name?
Me.
Yes, you!
I am me. He's me. I'm you.
And I'm about to whoop your old ass.
Oh, sorry. For some reason. What was your name?
Danny D'Angelo. I will send you an email. And look, I appreciate the background, Helena. Here's the thing. I have 36 locations in 3 states. I'm not trying to impress. This particular store, without knowing any of that background, sure, the previous operator started to fail, so they sold it. How do I know? Well, who sells a successful cash business? They're selling failures. The new guy buys it, and whatever that price is, it's hard to overcome that price. Now, you said, hey, you'll go look at the rent rolls. Great, thank you. I'm not interested in specifics. I'm not trying to pry my way into your private rent rolls. But if you tell me, hey, we can talk in January of 2027, I will know exactly what that means. And we're probably the ones that reach out to you. You're the right person. You told me, well, I'm not this, I'm not that. By the way, I want to say this to you. Yes, it is their business. Sure, it is their quote business, but they've removed some equipment in this store, and this is a big one for me. They pull the equipment out and they put a piece of black plastic over it. Now, kids go in here with their mom, they play hide and seek. They could literally get hurt very badly or killed because there's 220 electric, water, you know what I mean, the drain pipes, and no amount of insurance is going to replace a child. I just want to tell you what they are doing here is negligent. And now that I've told you, it's on you. You don't have to do anything about it. I will send you an email.
Sure.
If and when the time comes, I would love to talk lease terms with you. And then the difference is, you understand, I'm not going to run the business the way it is. I'm going to spend hundreds of thousands on washers and dryers and run it very, very differently. It's a great business if you do it right.
Okay.
What's your email?
So, Danny, can you do me a favor and email me at gmail.com?
I will do exactly that,
Okay.
and I will CC my partner, Mr. Murphy.
Okay, do you have any locations in the county area?
Yeah, I'll include a list, and you can go check them out.
Okay, that'll be wonderful. I do have a vacancy down there. If you're interested, but it's a new. You'd have to put in the information.
While I was talking, and I talk fast, I said I don't build laundromats. Can't help you.
Yeah, gotcha.
Reason should be obvious. I don't want to spend the $7,000+ per washer connection that the city of California charges. I'm not into that.
Yeah, understood.
I'll email you. I'm in no hurry. When these people leave, it's heartbreaking. They bought a business that they can't earn. They're trying their best, and at the end of the day, we want to do much better. I'm Danny. My partner's name is Paul. I'll CC him. Talk to you soon.
Okay, wonderful. Thank you. Bye.
What a pain in the ass. So there's a great introduction, and at first it's the whole common, I'm sorry, I'm the wrong person. I'm not the owner of the business. Go buy, all the bullshit, right? Or I don't care. We don't control how they run their business. I know, lady. Any other business, this is a dentist's office, right? They'd be shut down because they're screwing up people's teeth. But laundromats, hey, redheaded stepchild of all businesses ever created. Screw it. Who cares? And when I look at this and you got a professional realtor on the phone who answers her phone, she's all pro this and that. It's like, lady, come on. I've never seen an entire row like this with the black plastic. I mean, it's the whole fucking row. It's a death trap. And I am putting her on her heels and putting her on notice by saying, hey, this is not appropriate.
So just out of curiosity, supposing something did happen, suppose a child run in there and hurt himself or whatever, whose liability is that? I mean, is that down to the landlord in any way? Are they legally liable?
I can sue you for what you just asked me. We're a litigious society. Anyone can sue anyone for anything. You know that. Yeah. Now, the hope is that some scumbag laundromat customer, and that's the way these people treat their customers, isn't going to do shit. It's not a line when I tell these landladies, management companies, or operators, hey, when I would have to remove a piece of equipment, I would either build a custom box. I eventually had boxes in all the different sizes of the machines. They were painted to look like the washer, so it's aesthetically pleasing. And then where the cutout was for the door, it would say, I'm sick, I'll be back soon. Kind of cool. But there was no way for somebody to squeeze in there and die.
Sure.
Call it a tactic, call it what you will. But hey, I'm not going to sit and Google lawsuit. The last time someone was killed in a laundromat was yesterday. Because anytime something happens, I get information about it. Some guy got shot in Chicago, happened to be in a laundromat. Does that make it a terrible, dangerous business? No. Just happened to be in a laundromat. So I can't answer who might be responsible or who should be put, but putting black plastic over that. Now, if mom's got 3 kids and one of them's adopted, fill in the blank. It's just, it's not right.
Yeah. No, I know. I'm just curious in case someone came back and said, well, that's not my liability. That's the operator's,
Also, my new clients are always afraid, hey, what if they ask me where my laundries are? I say, yeah, you can go crawl up my ass and go look at every one of my stores. I'll give you, she doesn't care. She doesn't even go to her own locations. You think she's going to go look at ours?
Yeah, no. And I know that she's up in the Bay Area and Bakersfield is down south. So
right.
She's not.
Absolutely not.
I'm pretty sure this hot water heater's got a few more good years left in it.